Stress testing simply means checking how much money your portfolio could lose if the market moves badly. Instead of looking at normal daily changes, we apply a big shock, like interest rates jumping or stock prices falling sharply, and then we recalculate the portfolio value. The difference between the old value and the new value tells us the potential loss under stress. Now imagine you have hundreds of securities in a portfolio. Pricing each one separately during stress would take forever. But many securities depend on the same risk factor. For example, most bonds depend mainly on interest rates. So instead of stressing every bond individually, we just stress the common driver, the interest rate. This idea is called risk factor mapping, and it makes the whole process much faster and practical. The process is straightforward. First, identify the key risk factor like interest rates. Second, apply a shock, say rates increase by 1% or 5%. Third, reprice all future cash flows using the new rate. Then add up all the stressed prices to get the new portfolio value. Finally, compare this stressed value with the current value to measure the loss. Let's take a small example. Suppose a one-year bond pays 100. At a 4% rate, its price is 100 divided by 1.04, which is 96.15. If rates rise to 5%, the price becomes 100 divided by 1.05, or 95.24. You can see that when rates go up, the price falls. If your portfolio has many such bonds, their prices will all drop, and the total portfolio value decreases. That drop is your stress loss. So the key intuition is simple. Bond prices and interest rates move in opposite directions. Longer maturity bonds fall more, and mapping lets us capture risk quickly without revaluing hundreds of securities one by one. In exams, just remember this line: stress the risk factor, not each security, and you'll understand stress testing instantly.